Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and cancel your Shopify subscription and permanently close your account. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First is going to be the preparation phase. So before you close, all you need to do is ensure all outstanding charges, including subscription fees, transaction fees, and shipping label charges, are paid. Export the important business information as CSV files for future reference on tax purpose. And what you want to do is, if you purchased a domain through Shopify, you need to transfer it to a third-party provider or turn off auto renewal in the settings domain section if you want to keep it. So if you don't remove it, you might not be able to use it for another website immediately. Then finally, manually uninstall and cancel subscription for any third-party apps to avoid being charged after your store is closed. You could also go ahead and now, in order to go ahead and close your store, what you want to do is simply go ahead into your Shopify admin, log in as a store owner, then head to the settings in the bottom left corner and click on plan. In the plan section, find and click the deactivate store button. Shopify may offer options to pause and build at a reduced rate or start a new store to close permanently. So simply go ahead and choose anything you want, enter your password, and it will be deactivated. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarified a lot for you. If it did, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.